These countries are banning motorcycles for the dumbest reasons. For example, in Singapore, if you wanted to buy a high-performance superbike, you have to pay $100,000 in registration taxes on top of the bike's price, even though they cost less than $20,000. The reason is to discourage people from buying them to avoid traffic jams. Another one is Nepal, who banned the importation of all bikes over 150cc to save foreign currency, so the entire country is stuck with underpowered scooters, but they can ride them professionally. But Europe and Japan are even worse with their new Euro 5 emission laws, which made manufacturers kill legendary bikes like the Yamaha R6 and Ducati Panigale, all because they couldn't pass lab tests. Yet the worst one has to be South Korea and Taiwan, who allow you to buy any bike and pay insurance but completely banned using them on the highway.